Hello, student of standard 8. Now we are learning unit number 2. So take your pen, your notebook, and just pay attention in your textbook. Man's relationship with animals. Activity 1. A. Once there was an Arab who owned a very fine horse. The Arab treated him with very care and kindness. How Arab was treated with horse? He treated with horse with care and kindness. One day the Arab was attacked by some robbers. He fell off the horse. He was so seriously wounded that he was not able to get up. His horse saw this. He understood that his master was badly hurt. He seized his master's belt between his teeth and brought him home. People who saw this praised both the horse and his master. There are so many questions and MCQs we can create here, but there is 2 questions already mentioned in this textbook. So let us first of all revise it. Question number 1. How did the horse help the master? Once Arab was attacked by some robbers. The master fell down off his horse. Since he was seriously wounded, he could not get up. The horse caught his master's belt between his teeth and brought him back home. Now question number 2. What does the incident convey about the man-animal relationship? This incident of Arab and his horse conveys that animals have been quite faithful to man for ages. A number of incidents can be quoted wherein animals have sacrificed a lot of favor of man. They have been man's parental friends. So these are the 2 important questions already in book, and already I ask you its question and answer. Now other thing that we have to know regarding hard words. I've seen that some of the words we can solve this. Attacked means to hurt someone. In next episode we will see activity 1B. Just you have to write down these 2 questions in your notebook. Still okay, bye.